Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Perfromance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and Rosa, Correa. We're going to be showing you the opening of the good kit. So this is your do-it-yourself good kit, Perfromance DIY, and you have a tracking number on the top of your lid. When you open it up, inside the kit is your B activator, your A resin, a mixing stick, and your flake chips. Everything's included in the kit. Inside, the outside bucket is your mixing bucket, and the contents of this kit can be mixed inside this bar.
This is optional. It does not come with the good kit, but we recommend it. These are your spike shoes. Are they easy to put together?
Yeah, and they come in this box here. Open it up, and basically you just put the little screw in here and tighten it up, and then the bands. Actually, these kind of last forever. You don't. Once you do it, you keep them and reuse them.
Then we have your small toolkit. What comes in the small?
Yeah, so in a small toolkit, pretty simple. Just open it up here, and we kind of made this so it's easy. So if you order the small toolkit, you can do everything in your good kit without a problem. You have your rubber gloves instead of having to go out and buy a bunch of things. Everything's included. You got your mixing wand, you got your roller, squeegee. This squeegee can actually be reused too. So you just put your pole in it and use it, but it's actually a very good squeegee.
You have your paintbrush.
Paintbrush, and then another mixing as well.
And that's a small tool kit to make your job easier.
And then we have here your primer.
So the option is, if you want, you can put a prime coat on for a good kit, and the prime coat is really good, especially if you have very porous or contaminated concrete. We recommend you putting a primer. So this is the good kit, and the good kit is a really awesome kit. Actually, to be honest with you, this is the exact same product we use at NASA on 2 million square feet of floor in New Orleans. So you'll love this, but we have better kits than this. One happens to be called the better kit. The other one's called the certified kit. The certified kit has a transferable lifetime warranty. So these kits were designed, we're the first company to design an all-inclusive do-it-yourself kit. And everything really is meant to be as easy as possible.
Lady, don't be afraid, because this is as simple as doing your nails.
Thank you. We hope to see you at Perfromance DIY.